This is the 5-ingredient milkshake that I drank every day for almost a month. I'll teach you how to make it, so stick around. Aloha mai kako, my name is Relle and welcome to my kitchen where I like to share all my favorite Hawaiian and local recipes. Now, I don't know about you, but when I find something I like, I eat it and drink it over and over again. So let me show you how to make this milkshake that I had almost every day for a month. It's an ube milkshake. Ube is a purple yam, not to be confused with purple sweet potatoes, totally different. So you're gonna need some vanilla ice cream. Put that into a blender. A little, a lot, up to you. Depends how thick you want it. I don't know about you either, but like, I don't mind drinking milkshakes on cold days. Like, I like ice cream and milkshakes when it's cold, and I'll eat like salmon or soup when it's hot. It's interesting. Okay, and then we're gonna add in some coconut milk, and mahalo to our sponsor, Foodland Hawaii. As always, thoughts and opinions are my own. We'll be using my Ka'i organic coconut milk. You can find this coconut milk in the non-dairy milk section at your local Foodland. Give it a try. There's so many yummy recipes that you can make with it. It's so awesome. So we're just gonna take a scoopful of this. Now you can find the full recipe instructions and ingredients in the description box below. So go ahead and check that out. And then we're gonna get some ube halaya. It's like ube jam. You can find this at your Asian stores. You can find it online. I'll link the one that I'm using in the description box below. It has like a nutty vanilla-y flavor, and the texture is that similar to like sweet potato. I know it sounds funny if you've never had it, but I promise it's so good in a milkshake. And then some ube extract. It's this really deep, rich, dark purple. It looks black, but it's purple. And it also smells so good. See, watch. There, you can kind of see that it's purple when it touches the vanilla ice cream. And I know we're using vanilla ice cream, but I also like to add a little bit more of vanilla extract. It just pairs so well with the ube extract. It's so yummy. That's always my thing. It's so yummy. That doesn't really explain, right? And you're gonna go ahead and put it into the blender and give it a good spin. And then I always kind of like to give the sides a little bit of a scrape down because you can see like the ube extract. You can kind of shake it. You can kind of see the ube extract up on the top. So I'll give it one more whirl. And the great thing about this blender is it has a pour spout here. I don't know about you, but tell me not. Every time like I go to pour things out, I pour it and then the blade ends up falling off or you're like trying to hold it. So I like this one because it has that little spout. Like, I'll link the one below. So you can go ahead and open it and you'll hear it go tunk, hit the top. And that's how you make an ube milkshake. I've got a special guest today who's gonna try it out for you. Come on over. This is my daughter. What's your name?
Thailand.
You wanna try mommy's ube milkshake? All right, here you go. It's super thick, huh? Do you like it? Yeah? Let me try. So good. If you like this recipe and you want to see more, then check out this video here. And until next time, hui ho!
Thank you for watching my mommy's video.